Get 4 Lipton tea bags and get 3 spoons of cloves and get 2 balls of ginger. You peel this ginger very well, wash and peel it very well, and smash it, crush into pieces, put in a boiling pot. Then this 3 spoons of cloves, add. Then this Lipton 4, you tear the Lipton bag and pour the Lipton powder into it. Then add 2 liters of water. You are going to boil this thing for 25 minutes to the boiling point of 25 minutes, right? You are going to break this thing down. This is for fat tummy. Yeah, your belly big, right? You want it to go down, fat tummy. You'll be taking this in 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the night. Just continue taking this in and watch your tummy, that your fat tummy go down. It must definitely go down. This is seriously for fat tummy, gas, way full for tummy, and fat, way full for tummy. All of them will disappear. Okay?